Best garbage disposals. 1. Horsepower continuous feed garbage disposal. 1 horsepower motor with a high speed of 2800 RPMs. Insulated stainless steel grinding components reduce noise. Fast and easy mounting system includes all the necessary hardware for hassle-free installation, including drain elbow and gasket. Rust-free grinding components with a lifetime warranty against corrosion. Requires 16. 2 available space for product installation. 2. Incinerator Badger 5. 26 ounces. Grind chamber with galvanized steel grind system. 1/2 horsepower Dura-Drive induction motor. 2-year and home limited warranty. Power cord not included. Made in the USA. 3. Dishwasher connector kit. Dishwasher connector kit. Hardware included. Fits all brands of garbage disposers. Dishwasher connector for all disposers. Available in black. 4. Evolution Essential Household Garbage Disposer. Sound seal technology which delivers quieter performance versus a standard disposer. Multi-grind technology, with 2-stage grind to quickly grind virtually any food waste. 40 ounces. Stainless steel grind chamber and grind components for longevity. 3/4 horsepower Dura-Drive registered trademark induction motor. Power cord not included. We come to you 6-year and home limited warranty. 5. Incinerator disposal. Sound seal technology. Multi-grind technology with 2 grind stages. 34. 6 ounces. Grind chamber and stainless steel grind components for longevity. 3/4 horsepower Dura-Drive induction motor. Power cord not included. 4-year in-home limited warranty. Thanks for watching. For more information please check the description for details and best price.